We just learned the names for the most common domestic animals pertaining to ancient Rome. Now let's learn the names for the most common wild animals. You will see that some of these nouns are masculine and some are feminine, depending on the ending of the word. Occasionally, we find separate words for the male and female organism. Let's head to the jungle. Leo, leonis. Tigris, tigris. Lupus, lupi. Lupa, lupae. Vulpes, vulpis. Avis, avis. Aquila, aquilae. Cervus, cervi. Elepas, elepantis. Ursus, ursi. Ursa, ursae. Piscis, piscis. Delpinus, delpini. Balaena, balaenae. Serpens, serpentis. Anguis, anguis. Simia, simiae. Testudo, testudinis. Camelus, cameli. Aries, arietis. Rhinoceros, rhinocerotis. Hippopotamus, hippopotami. Crocodilus, crocodili. And with that, we know the names of many different kinds of animals, both wild and domesticated, that would have been known to the ancient Romans.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.